Alam mo ba yung feeling na sobrang tagal mo nang hinihintay ang pangako ni Lord? Maybe you're praying for something like a dream, a career, a healing, or a breakthrough. Tapos minsan mapapaisip ka na, Lord, naririnig mo pa ba ako? Pero look what happened in Genesis 21. After years of waiting, finally, binigay ni God ang anak ni pinangako niya kay Abraham at Sarah at yun ay si Isaac. Ang nakaka-touch pa, super impossible na by human standards. Sobrang old na sila, di na expected, pero that's exactly where God loved to show up. Doon sa mga sitwasyon na akala natin wala ng pag-asa. And you know what that means, that God promise is never expired. Hindi porket matagal o parang tahimik siya nakalimutan niya. Actually, baka inaayos pa niya ang perfect timing, the kind of timing na makakapagbigay sa iyo ng pinakamalalim na joy and testimony. So, if you're waiting ngayon, kapit lang, trust His perfect timing. Kasi when God finally moves, sobra pa sa ini-expect mo ang gagawin niya. Kung kaya niyang gawin ang imposible noon para kina Abraham at Sarah, He can do the same for you. Keep believing kasi yung breakthrough is on its way.